CARDLINE VERSA, the high-volume card personalization system from Atlantic Siza, is a world leader in the card personalization market. It offers the latest technology and design innovations based on customer input and tailored to market needs. It leverages the experience and expertise of Atlantic Siza in magnetic encoding, UV-cured DoD inkjet printing, combined with high throughput and cost efficiency. CARDLINE VERSA can handle a wide range of card applications, with a special focus on upscale gift and loyalty cards in multiple formats, including odd-shaped cards, hangtags, and single and double CR80 cards. The CARDLINE VERSA process begins with the in-feed module, where generic cards are fed into the system. A highly precise magnetic encoding module lays down secure data onto each card, using a top-down or bottom-up encoding process as needed. Encoding can be performed at ISO and non-ISO positions. As an option, dual magstripe encoding is also fully supported. Cards are plasma treated for increased surface tension and high-quality print reproduction. Our easy-to-set-up Omega DoD printing technology delivers up to 720 dpi monochrome personalization and is available with printing widths of up to 72 millimeters. Omega series printers allow speeds of up to 30,000 cards per hour. Cards are then LED cured, while the VeriCam ePrint control camera monitors card flow, confirming accurate production or triggering a rejection if needed. PIN codes are covered with a secure label, while the label control camera verifies correct placement. Between each module, precise realignment systems ensure that cards are properly positioned for the next step in the process. Based on the constant data and quality monitoring built into the system, good cards flow directly into a shingle delivery tray, while rejected ones are diverted to a secure waste box for easy removal. A remake order for any rejected cards is immediately initiated, with remade cards routed to a separate outfeed delivery tray for quick reinsertion into the finished card stream. Encoding, printing, and other special requirements for the CARDLINE VERSA system are managed by a centralized, easy-to-operate host PC. Being able to manage many production runs in short time frames is a critical element of the workflow, and our PMP software excels at it. Orders can be automatically received from customers, scheduled, and configured for optimized production flow. In mixed environments, the PMP can control your entire card production factory, both Atlantic Siza systems and older legacy machines. CARDLINE VERSA is fast and flexible, simple to operate and readily scalable, and can be set up in unique configurations to meet your specific personalization requirements. It handles standard card products and functions for almost all formats, and allows quick setup and adjustment for efficient job changeovers. CARDLINE VERSA, another way that Atlantic Siza demonstrates innovation and market leadership in high-volume card personalization systems.